Now children, in determinant chapter, in the last lecture we have discussed how to take out the determinant of a square matrix, because determinant can be taken out in the case of a square matrix only. Now today we will discuss minors and cofactors. What are minors and cofactors? First of all, how is minor represented? It is represented by M, capital M, I, J. I means row, J means column. Cofactor is represented by capital A, I, J, row and column. So how many minors and how many cofactors are there in this determinant? Suppose B is a determinant. So how many minors are there? How many cofactors are there? There are 9 minors and 9 cofactors in any determinant when the order is 3 by 3. Whatever is the number of element in any determinant, that many are minors and that many are cofactors also. Now, how to take out minor and cofactors? First, we will discuss the minors. Minors. Suppose we have to take out the minor of this first term, 7. Minor of 7 term, this 7 value. So this order of this 7 is, this is the first row and the first column. So we are going to take out the minor of 7. That means we are going to take out the minor of first row and first column. So whatever order is written here, we have to leave that order. That means we have to leave that first row and first column from the determinant. Suppose we are going to take out the minor of 7 or minor of first row, first column. That means leave the first row, leave the first column, and what is left? 0, 2, 6, 8 is left. Write it here. Now we know how to solve this determinant. This is 0 into 8 minus 6 into 2. Answer is 12. Leave this question for later on. Now if we are required to find third row, second column, minor of third row, second column, that, or said as take out the minor of 6. Minor of 6 or minor of third row, second column means same. So minor of third row and second column. We have written this determinant here again to make you understand. So we have to take out the minor of third row, second column. Third row, second column, as we have left here. So leave this third row and second column. What is left? 7, 1, 3 and 2. 7, 1, 3, 2. Write it here. Now cross multiply the values. 7 into 2 minus 1 into 3. We are getting 11. Next, we are going to take out the minor of second row, second column. Second row and second column. Minor of second row, second column, or minor of 0. Both ways. Minor of second row, second column. So this is the second row, this is the second column. So minor of second row and second column. So encircle that. Second row and second column. What is left? 7, 1, 5, 8. 7, 1, 5, 8 is left. So cross multiply the values to take out the determinant. So 7 into 8 minus 1 into 5 equals to 51. This way we can take out the minor of any of these 9 terms. Let's take out the another minor. Suppose we have to take out the minor of third row, first column. So determinant we have. We don't need to do all the working, write this determinant every time. After some time you will be able to do this orally. So for this third row, first column, third row, first column. So leave that row, leave that column, third row and first column. So what is left here? We are left with 4, 0, 1, 2. Solve it out further. 4 into 2 minus 0 into 1. 0 into 1. That is 8 is the answer. This way we can take out minor of any of these 9 terms. Now how to take out the this cofactor. The value of minor and cofactor remains the same. Only one term is added. What is that term? We have to place -1 always in all the cases in taking out the minor of any of these 9 terms. And you have to check what we have to write here. This is first row, first column. This is first row, first column. To add row and column, 1 plus 1, 2. What is coming here? 2. -1 to the power 2 is what? It is positive. So value remains same. Now in this case, -1 to the power row plus column, 3 plus 2, that is 5. -1 to the power 5 will be equals to negative. So in case of minor and cofactor negative sign, only difference of negative sign is there. In this case, we have taken out the minor as 51, right? 51. For cofactor, -1 to the power row plus column, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, -1 to the power 4 is positive. So there is no change in this case. Now if we have to take out the cofactor of this value, 3, 1. Write it like this, -1 to the power 3 plus 1 into the answer 8. So -1 to the power 3 plus 1 is what? 4. -1 to the power 4 is what? Again positive. So the answer is again 8. For quick working, we can when we are doing this calculations orally, we can see that always whenever we are taking out the minor of these 9 terms, at this place it will be positive. As we can see that this is positive, whether minor or cofactor. Second place it is coming negative, then third place it is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So finally from these all these minus and cofactor terms, we can see that for all the cofactors the sign is like this only. Sign will be like this for quick working, for oral calculations.